What is going on? We are here having a good time, doing a little barbecue. Nice. I built that. Hanging out here. Look at that. Look at the view. It's a beautiful day today. Today's Saturday, March 29th. So yep, just here hanging out, waiting for our guests to arrive. Just hanging out here. Look at this, how beautiful. It's a little cloudy. I put the solar to charge, but because it's cloudy, it's not charging fast enough. So, like I said in previous video, I had to figure out something about solar because it seems like the solar that I bought, we have to charge it every day. It doesn't hold the charge for the items that we keep adding. We added a microwave and a fry and the air fryer. That's the barbecue pit that I'm building. I'm almost done. I gotta add about a couple of more bricks, 9, 10, something like that. Yeah. Let's see the solar. What is it on? It's a Yakarty 1000. And yeah, take you over here. That's it. That's the Yakarty. It's a Yakarty Explorer 1002 or something like that. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Beautiful day here in paradise, well, in the country. And today's Saturday, March 29. Tomorrow Sunday, we go back to Miami, Florida. And to get there by Monday, we have a few things to take care of on Monday. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful barbecue. So yep, that's the life in the country. We woke up this morning like around 7:30. Wife made some breakfast. Really good breakfast. The temperature in the morning is about in the 60 degrees, more or less. So it feels really, really nice. I like to walk out here drinking my coffee. And you know, just giving thanks to God for all the blessings. And you know, sometimes we're so selfish. You know, we complain about certain things that we don't have, and then we look at the whole world, how others are struggling. And in reality, you don't need much. You know, we're living out here. We're relocating out here. We're not living out here yet. We're relocating out here to Alabama. 9 acres of land that we just purchased, and we have that little tiny house that we're building inside. And just nice out here. We're so thankful for, you know, the blessings. And while others, so many in the world, are struggling, and this is all we need: piece of land, shelter, a car, basically a solar. That's all you need to survive. We don't need no electrical, no water bills, electrical bill. Look at this. Check this out. That in there is where the deers hide. Where they come and they hide at nighttime. Yeah, I see them through the camera when they come out here. We put some food, deer food, in the grass, And as you can see all the way over there, that's my camera. I have a couple of cameras here in the property. Solar, wireless camera. So just living the dream, having a good time. Is what it's all about. You living out there in a homestead, off the grid. Tell me what is your experience? What is your struggles? What is it that you're enjoying? The struggles that we're having right now is obviously the bathroom, the shower. We have to shower at the nearest gym, which is like 20 minutes away from where we have the land. So every day we go to the gym, we go to town, and we shower there. And while we're there, we have dinner. But at some point, I would like to build an outhouse, and that way we don't have to keep going to the town for showering, because it's a waste of time and a waste of gas. But for now, this is what we got. And the food situation, we bought a gas stove, and I have a freezer. It's a cooler freezer. Also, we connected to the solar, and it works with 12 volt, and it lasts about 2 days if I just use the charger of the Jackery. Just for the cooler freezer, it lasts about 2 days. But of course, you know, I connect lights and microwave and the air fryer, and it's only good for 1 day at that point. And then I also charge the cell phones and some batteries that I have for the drill. And so yeah, when I come back, I'll bring back probably a generator and a bigger solar battery. Look at that, it's beautiful. This morning I walked all the way to the front of the property, and the weather was amazing. It was so beautiful. Drinking my coffee. Now I'm just having my cigar. A little hungry. So let me take you inside real quick to show you the inside. So this is the setup inside. As you can see, we already did the walls ourselves. We still gotta do the ceiling. That's one of the loft, the shorter one. And this is the longer one. So yep. That's our portable toilet. Our closet, you know, hanging clothes. Our bed. Remember, this is off-grid, so it's never gonna look like the city. But for now, it works. That's the microwave and the air fryer. The little kitchen cook. That's the water dispenser. That's my wife. And that's my brother-in-law and my sister getting here. See them all the way over there? Yeah, let me go say hi to them. Yeah, that's them. Got a long way to go, to get to us. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, the cost to do the walls inside, it was about $850 that we spent in materials, and it took us 2 days. And we still got to do the top of the loft, the 2 loft, but we'll do that next time that we come. And the ceiling, we're probably gonna hire somebody to do the ceiling, because it was a lot of work to do that. So anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing and the support. Thank you for the comments that you leave in the comment section, and I try to get to them much as I can. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless you.